a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. Thank you. And if you've never seen me before and this is the first time you're seeing me in the video, join the squad, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much also for clicking on this video. So today we are going to do a monochrome outfit ideas video. So basically it's really hard to wear one color, so I've done the mixing for you, so it's not an issue right now. So you can wear one color if you want, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that you can use to wear one color in one outfit. So let's get into the video. That you're still watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll truly appreciate it, and also like and comment down below whether you like this video or not. So hit the subscribe button, hit it. That's it, guys. Those are the monochrome outfits that I had in mind. And tell me what was your favorite outfit in the comment section down below so that I can know. My favorite outfit was definitely the blue one that looked like a what are they called, air hostess outfit. That was my favorite outfit by far. But tell me in the comment section what was your favorite outfit, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.